Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me that how we can rotate or change the image in Canva from portrait to landscape. So I will show you very quick in this video. You don't need to subscribe for any Canva Pro. You can see I open the Canva project over here, and this one is portrait. Normally, if you have a Canva Pro account, you will choose the resize option here and you can change to any size you want, but it's for Canva Pro. So what I want to do here is I will resize using the free account over here. So I will open the new Canva tab over here, and then I will choose create. And now you will choose the template that have suitable size with what you want. Right now I want to have the landscape size, so I will choose the 16 by 9. Now I have a landscape project 16 by 9. So what I want to do now is I come back to my previous project. I will choose everything. I will choose copy over here, and now I will come back to this project and I will choose allow paste. Okay, now all my projects are coming back. Now you can see my background are white, so I want to change the background to this color. I will choose the background color and then I will choose this color. You can see we have the color code. I will copy this color code and I come back to my new project. I will choose the background color, add a new color, and then I will paste the code. Now you can rearrange your design to suitable what you need. You finally can change your project from portrait to landscape over here. Okay, that's all my videos. If you see my videos helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.